now I am making the lassi with curd. Okay, mint lassi. Okay, so I am taking the 2 tablespoons of the curd and I'm putting the just little salt, little quarter spoon of salt, and I'm putting my mint. I have fresh mint in the backyard, so I'm using the fresh mint in here, and I'm going to use some water. I'm pouring some water in here, okay, and I'm going to put the lid. Okay, so now my mint lassi is done. So I'm going to drink in 1 glass every day, either juice or this. In summer, it is really good to drink. So hope you like it. Try to make the lassi in not even 5 minutes. It can be done, and it is so good if you drink in summer. Okay, hope you like it. Try to follow that.